Hello everyone, it's me, Susie, and here is Storm. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I know it's been a little bit, guys. I know we've kind of been saying that here and there, but truly, as we said in our last video, we were just trying to kind of figure things out, and there's been a lot of hecticness lately. Even now, Roberta's working, but I'm off. So I thought I'd, have my little day off and try to make something happen here. The first thing I want to start off with is getting Storm outside because it's been raining so much we haven't been able to let him go run outside. And then I do need to take care of some things. I think the main thing I want to get done today is maybe show you guys like a recipe or something. I don't really know what I'm gonna cook yet, but you guys seem to like those videos, so it's just gonna kind of be like me taking care of my stuff today and then cooking up a nice little meal. So how do you guys like that? Alrighty, well, if that is what you want to see, please stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone, so it's me, Susie. What in the world are you doing, lady? Anyway, I'm in the Dunkin' Donuts drive-through. I grabbed a quick little snack, little breakfast wraps, and a refresher drink, which, by the way, I'm so excited to try. So yeah, I'm gonna get that and then hit the road to the store. Hello everyone, so I went and I grabbed my little wraps. They're the bacon, egg, and cheese wake up wraps from Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, they're so hot, and oh, they're a little too hot. They're super fresh. At least I could say that, but dang, it's a little too hot. I haven't had these in some time, but really good. I love it. So the next thing I'm gonna try is this. I mean, I've had these before, they're really good, but right now they made them like super fresh and yummy. But this, I've never had it before. There's strawberry dragon fruit. It's a refresher, they call it. It's super hot out. Oh yeah, baby. That hits the spot. I feel naked because I forgot my wedding ring at home. But I was cleaning and stuff like that, and ooh, that's nice. It's not like super strong or like really sweet, but it is. I guess that's why they call it a refresher, because it's a nice little like refreshing splash. But anyway, so I'm gonna finish this up, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and watch you or make you guys watch me eat this because I'm starving. But I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm at the store and then go home and all that. So again, stay tuned, people. Hello everyone, so it's me, Susie. I'm back home, but I'm actually gonna be going back out, unfortunately, because the meat store that I went to is like a local Hispanic store. They didn't really have a lot this time around. They were kind of slacking, so I did, get my main groceries and get a couple of things of meat. But I think I'm gonna head to the other side of town to see what they got. So because it was on my way, like passing home, I just stopped and unloaded some groceries and stuff like that. I'm also gonna grab a drink because I'm like dying. I put my AC on and it's still hot as heck. It's just one of those days where you need your AC and a drink. on you to stay hydrated because it just sucks you up dry. It's horrible. So I'm gonna go try to do that really quick, and then I'm gonna come back home and then I'm gonna figure out like what I should cook and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll be right back. Look who's home. He just got home from work and I'm about to cook dinner, so I'll see you guys in the kitchen.
I'm ready for some dinner.
Hello everyone, so I'm back in the kitchen and I'm ready to go ahead and show you guys what we are cooking. Not really sure what I'm gonna throw on the side just yet. I think I'm just gonna go with some either some homemade mashed potatoes or maybe just some cut up home style wedges. I'm not really sure yet, but what I want to show you is the main thing here, which is it's going to be garlic parm chicken bites. The recipe calls for just ingredients for the parmesan, but I kind of want to give it a little bit of garlicky flavor. So you know me, I kind of just go off recipes and put my own twist. So that's kind of what we're doing here. So I have my husband's phone here because I'm recording on mine. So you need 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a pinch of salt and pepper, and then of course your chicken. There is a twist here. We have regular vanilla yogurt. I'm a little worried just because it's not plain, Mary Jane plain. But I actually went and ran to go get some plain yogurt and I couldn't find any. At least not right by where I was at. And it just wasn't worth it enough to go all the way outside of town to look for it. So what I feel is worst case scenario, it'll just be a little sweeter. I kind of want to put the garlic in there to help offset that too. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. So here is my chicken all cut up. I have this ready because I don't have an actual flat baking sheet at the moment. So I'm just gonna spread it all around and hope that it all fits in here. You have to set the oven to 375, which I already did. And then really it's just putting the ingredients together. So let me move this out of the way. Let me get a bowl. Not as prepared as I thought. Okay. So, and then let me get a whisk. Hold on. One moment. Okay, got it. Let me rinse this off. Perfect. So I'm hoping this bowl's big enough. But I kind of eyeballed all my ingredients. But here is about 1/2 cup of parm. And then this would be a good 8 ounces of yogurt. So I'm just gonna kind of try to put it both in there. I'm quite worried about it being vanilla, not plain, but hopefully it won't be that big of a thing. So you just kind of want to whisk at it. Really getting that Parmesan in there. And then add your dry ingredients, which mine are the garlic powder, some salt and pepper. So you just go at that for quite a bit. Really making sure you're getting everything in there. I really feel like the ingredients are I can't talk, going to kind of even everything out here. So just get all of that worked in here. And then make sure you have clean hands. There's a little bit more parm here. Don't want to waste it. Make sure you have clean hands when you're doing this, because now we're going to handle the chicken. It's like the first time that I don't season the chicken itself, but I think it will be fine because this is basically the seasoning. Okay, so move all of this out of the way. Bring this down, and now it's time to grab the chicken. And we're going to take this and basically stick it in there. Lay it in there pretty good. My baking sheet is has a little bit of oil. I don't have any like butter or non-stick spray, so I just laid a little bit of oil at the bottom. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. I guess there's like, you could always do this with like a fork or something. Might be a better idea. But just want to make sure you're getting really good coat and layer of this all up in there. And then it's gonna go in the oven. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright everyone, so I am done. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. This is about like 20 minutes, but because there's quite a bit here and it's all like squished up in here and it has some thick layers, I'm gonna try to leave it in there a little longer to really get it scrumptious and the sauce really in there. So yeah, I will show you when it's done. Alright guys, so everything looks about done. The only thing is the vegetables. Decided to not do any like potatoes or anything like that, just because I felt like it was going to be a little bit more time consuming and I'm hungry. So yeah, it looks good. It looks different than I thought it was going to look like, but I think part of it's because I didn't put like any sazon or anything, so I'm used to that. But anyway, the thing got a little burnt, but that's okay. It's kind of what it looks like. It would look better when I plate it. I'm gonna put some broccoli on the side with it. Need to be eating more vegetables anyway. But yeah, guys, so I'll show you when it's plated, and I guess we'll go ahead and taste it and let you know. Hello everyone, so I am done. I went ahead, it doesn't look as appetizing, but here's the chicken, and then I paired it with some broccoli here, and threw a little bit of feta cheese on there. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It didn't really come out like I thought it would. What I did think would happen did kind of happen. It does taste a little kind of like sweet or vanilla-y, and I was really trying to kind of offset that with the other ingredients, But I think what kind of messed me up was not adding enough of the ingredients. I did what the recipe called for, but genuinely I don't think that that's enough. Hello everyone, so we're back. Roberto just ate the chicken with some broccoli. I attempted to eat it, but I'm gonna go ahead and let him give you guys his opinion.
To me, it was pretty good. The only thing is, I did kind of taste like the vanilla um, flavoring a little bit, but to me it wasn't that bad.
I think because I was gonna like show you guys my response and like us sitting down and eating it and everything, but I think that like I didn't even get to like sit down or whatever because I was so curious about the vanilla and I could taste it and it like threw me off, so I didn't even like really complete it. But Roberto thinks that it was pretty good. You could agree though it didn't come out like what we thought it was gonna come out, right? I do want to try it again one day. I think it's just the ratio of like the ingredients and everything needs to be changed because the person that put, and I usually don't really follow recipes like that anyway, but the person that put that recipe, I don't know if like they were using different types of ingredients or what, but it just doesn't add up. Like it was like too much of like the yogurt and not enough of like the parm and all of that. So I would like to try it again one day, but maybe just not as heavy of the others, of like the yogurt and more of like the actual dry ingredients. But yeah, it was different, right? All right, guys. Well, there is that. Now we're gonna enjoy some dessert. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and eat a little bit of the chicken. It really isn't that bad. Like I said, you do taste a little bit of that vanilla-y though. But I threw some extra parm on there and it's not too bad. It's just like I said, it's kind of a fail on that part. I would probably change things up a little bit more next time. But hey, we're human, right? Anyways, now I'm grabbing these little leches that I told you guys about earlier, and we're gonna enjoy them. Alright everyone, so we had our food and we had our dessert, which was the...
Tres leches.
Did you like it?
It was good.
As I said with the chicken, I really wanted to go more in depth with it and show you guys and all that. I kind of feel like it was a little bit of a fail, so I'm sorry guys. It was good though, it was edible, right? It's not like it was completely disgusting. It just wasn't one of my like best things, so either way, I definitely hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah.
And hit the little bell icon for notifications on our next videos. And we kind of have a surprise, guys, coming up, so please stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it.
Yes, we're going to keep telling you guys this because you're really not going to want to miss it. So thank you guys for just bearing with us while we figure all this out, but it's going to be really worth it when the surprise comes.
Bye.
Bye.